Welcome back to my Ankara Nation YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to make Ankara granny's bag, and these are the materials we'll be using. This is red bridal satin, tape roll, Ankara fabric, scissors, and red lining. The measurement for the bag we are making, you can see how long this Ankara fabric is. So let's measure from here. This is 34 inches by 15 inches width, and I have same measurements for the lining, 34 inches by 15 inches width. So what you want to do, put your lining on the right side of your Ankara fabric. So we are going to go and stitch. We are going to stitch round. We are going to leave space here that we can turn this inside out after stitching. I have stitched round the Ankara fabric and I left space here, and we're going to turn inside out from space. Okay, after turning inside out, so you're going to take this to your sewing machine. You're going to iron it flat. Then remember this place to turn inside out from. You also take it to your sewing machine and just stitch that point. So guys, I have stitched that opening and I also iron it. You can see how flat it's looking. So the next thing you want to do is to fold your fabric into 2 equal parts. Or you can get the midpoints. I'm going to mark it with chalk, the midpoints. So this is the midpoint now, and I'm just going to fold like that. Okay, then with the help of your thread, you need to tie this up. Okay, I cut your thread off. So when that is done, I'm going to set it aside. Let's do the covering. So this is the bridal satin I'll be using to cover these points. So let's measure it. Four and a half by 4.5. Okay, so take this to your sewing machine, stitch it straight down, and stitch this part straight down. I have stitched. I am using a contrasting thread so that you can see what I am doing. That's why I'm using a black thread. So the next thing you want to do, you're going to use this to wrap this bag up. So you fold this edge, okay, fold this edge now. You're going to run the straight stitch and stitch, so you can turn that downwards, okay, so you can have a neat work. Now this is what her bag looks like. So fold it into two equal parts. Okay, so you're going to go and stitch the side of the bag. Measure 8.5 inches. You're going to stitch from this 8.5 inches down. I'm going to do the same here. Measure 8.5 inches. So we're going to stitch it straight down. I have stitched. So the next thing you want to do, you can see how the bag looks like, is to make, you can see how it is now. Fold it this way. So you bring your stitching together. You're going to run your stitch. After stitching, okay, you are going to stitch the edges of the bag. Measure 3 inches. Okay. I'm going to stitch 3 inches. Same thing for this edge. Measure 3 inches. I'm going to stitch it. And stitch. So you can decide to cut this off, or you just, it's a needle and thread, just quickly stitch it to your bag. You can cut it off if you want, okay? So when that is done, just going to turn this back inside out. Okay, this is the finished work of our bag. See, it's so beautiful. So we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial.